Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got a Boxycharm unboxing. So first of all, welcome to my studio that I've been working on for a while. I mentioned this in a video a week or so ago. I'm still working on it. There's still nothing on the walls and I'm sitting on the floor hiding electrical outlets. So it's coming along and it's a little echoey in here right now because there is nothing in here, but we're getting there. So let's go into the Boxycharm. Now I am super excited for this box. I feel like, I've seen a lot of spoilers on this box and like I've already seen people unbox it and I have some high hopes. So let's jump in and see what I got. I'm not gonna be trying anything on today. I'm like literally getting ready to go to bed and I just happened to check the mail at like 8 o'clock at night and it was in there. I didn't think it was supposed to be here until tomorrow. So surprise, I'm filming now because I wanna get into here. So opening the box, we've got the little card thing. The theme is like road tripping. Fun, fun. Guys, I'm so excited. So, little peek into my box here. This is the things that I was hoping for. So, the first thing out of the box I'm actually really excited for is from Pharmacy. It's a Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask, and it does have echinacea in it. I really enjoy vitamin C things. Like, I feel like they make a huge difference in my skin, and it helps with like getting rid of scarring, and so I was hoping for this product so bad. Because this was one of the spoilers. You either got this or a Dr. Brandt under eye treatment thing, and I was really hoping for this, and I'm so happy I got this. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I might even try this tonight. A vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin texture and tone, which I love it. I'm so excited. I'll have to keep you updated, which, by the way, I do a subscription recap every month here on my channel. I used to do it with my monthly favorites, but I mentioned recently that I'm not going to be doing monthly favorites every month, and so I'm going to be lumping this into my Boxycharm unboxing video. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be going through my June box real quick and give you some thoughts. So far, so good. We'll be looking to talk about this next month a bit. Next, I think this is something that everyone got. It's from Wander Beauty, and it's a mascara. It's a volume and curl mascara. Mascara is always nice. The brush on here is pretty good. It's a nice like curved brush. It's a natural fiber brush. This definitely looks like a mascara that I would enjoy, so I'm excited to try this out. Next in the box is from Note Cosmetics, and it's a blush. This one is in the shade Desert Rose, and I did see some people unbox this and it looks like a color that I would definitely enjoy. Oh yeah, it's like a nice neutral kind of peachy blush, but on the like bronzer side almost. Like it's, ooh, that's pretty dark actually. Ooh, that is pigmented. I'm excited to try that too. I love blushes that are like this shade. I feel like they just bring like a nice brightness to the cheeks and it just looks so nice and you look flushed, and so I'm excited to try this out. The next thing is from Cella, and it is a tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream, and it's kind of an interesting product. So you have a little like eye brush on this side, a little like angled brush, and then on this side you unscrew it and you have like some product in here. That's kind of an interesting product to get into. I don't know how I feel about this. I have never really used a brow pomade before, so I'm interested to see how this goes. I've been super lazy with my brows. Ooh, okay. I just did like a little tiny swatch. Huh. Okay. Interesting. I was gonna say, I've been pretty lazy with my brows lately. I've either been Sometimes I use a pencil, but honestly not very often. I've been filling my brows in with powder pretty frequently, either like a cool tone bronzer or like some eyeshadow. I don't have a brow powder, but I've been finding powders that work. But today, honestly, I was going for a very, very simple makeup look. I just put some boy brow in my eyebrows, and that's honestly one of my go-tos as well. So I'm excited to give this a try. We'll have to see how that works. It's a little dark, but I feel like I could probably make that work. And then the last product in here is from Crown Pro, and it is an eyeshadow palette. I did know I was getting this. A Boxycharm started a thing this month where you could get a little preview of one thing that you're getting in your box, and this was that for mine. It's really nice. I feel like I heard some people say it wasn't all that great, like the quality of the shades wasn't super pigmented, but I feel like for an everyday look, I can definitely get a lot out of this. My mind immediately goes to that there's not a matte light color shade, like this one here is a highlight shade, but so I won't be able to get like a full, complete look out of it. But there's some nice shades in here. We've got like a matte, actually, so all these 5s are matte. And then these are like metallic or shimmer of some kind. Let's swatch a few. Ooh, that one's soft. Okay. Huh. That's actually super pigmented. That's a weird spot to put a swatch. Sorry. But so pigmented. I'm pretty impressed. I'm excited to give that a shot. I really enjoy warm tone shades, like for eyeshadows, but I don't really have very many palettes that are like warm toned. I do have like a giant Morphe palette that has a bunch of warm tone shadows in it, but other than that, I have a few palettes that have like some in them. So this is really nice that it's all warm tone. I'm excited to give this a shot as well. This is everything from the Boxycharm this month. Like I said, I'm so excited for this box. I feel like from all the possibilities that I've seen out there so far, this was like my dream scenario, and I hadn't seen anyone open up this exact box. So I'm thrilled. Like, I think this could be, I mean, permitting how these products work, I think this could honestly be one of my favorite boxes, just based off of the products that I got. I've got a really great eyeshadow palette, which I kind of wiped the swatches off, but I'm super excited to give this a shot. I've got that pharmacy mask that I'm like really looking forward to trying. Got that really pretty blush that I think would look fantastic with that eyeshadow palette as well. You've got the mascara, which you could always use mascara, and then that brow product is probably like my least exciting thing, but still like something that I'll use, I'm sure. I mean, I guess permitting whether if I like it or not. But as of right now, I've totally seen myself using this. So I think that was a fantastic box. Just to run through the prices with you real quick. That pharmacy mask is definitely the most expensive thing in the box. That retails for $38. And I do think that was a new launch just recently, because I feel like I've seen a few people review this on YouTube already. And so, but like just recently, so I have a feeling this is kind of a new thing. And then the Crown eyeshadow palette is $29.99, which that's pretty expensive. And then the mascara is $24, the blush is $11.99, and then the brow cream is $26. So that's a pretty great deal. The only thing that is less than the actual box value is the blush, but everything else is like well above and beyond what you pay for Boxycharm. So that's why I love Boxycharm. I feel like I see on Instagram and like Facebook every month when like the spoilers kind of start coming out, people are like complaining like, I'm gonna hate this box, or I don't like this, and I'm like, really? You get to try like 5 full-size products for $21. That's incredible. $21 is like going to a coffee shop 4 times, or like less than filling up your tank of gas. And if you're anything like me, I'm sure you're buying makeup anyways. And so I know for me, Boxycharm has like kind of fulfilled that like need to try new things. And so honestly, outside of Boxycharm, I really don't buy much makeup unless if it's something that I need. And so I feel like for me, Boxycharm fulfills that need of like wanting to try new things and like just experiment a little bit. Sometimes I love the things, sometimes I don't like them as much. And so it's a gamble, sure, but again, it's $21. There's nowhere else that you can get over $100 worth of makeup for $21. Nowhere. Like, this is the best subscription box. So I will leave a link down below if you're interested in Boxycharm. I believe there's still no wait list. If you are wanting to sign up, you can sign up and get this box this month if you think it's good. I mean, granted, the boxes vary a little bit, so it won't be this exact box, but there's a chance. So that was the box for this month. I really enjoyed it. Now let's jump into June's box really quick, and I'll kind of give you some thoughts on the products that I've been using for the last month. Right off the bat, we've got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I haven't used this too frequently because I've been kind of wanting to save it because it's just like this little tiny little cream, and I do really enjoy the scent. It smells so good. It kind of smells like men's cologne, but like sweet. I love it. So I have been using this, and when I do use it, I just take like the smallest little bit because I don't want to like waste it. And so I've just been taking a small tiny little bit and like running it on my arms and like my legs really quick, but I've been loving it. It's really nice. Something that wasn't really nice is from Jean Bleu. It's a charcoal colored eyeliner pencil, and it's just like a kohl eyeliner, whatever you want to call this. It's just not like pigmented. I used it in my Boxycharm video for June where I tried on all the products, and honestly since then I have not tried it. Actually, that's a lie. I did try it one more time like in my waterline, and it just doesn't do anything. Like, it's just not pigmented enough. It's hard, and it's hard to use, and so I'm probably just gonna be getting rid of this soon. Something I am wearing is this lip. This is from Galactic, and it's one of their matte lip paints, and this one is in the shade Blossom. Now I do have another Galactic matte lip paint that I got in Boxycharm a few months ago, so it was kind of a bummer to get like the same product again but in a different color. But I do enjoy these matte lip paints. I think they're really nice. The way I'm wearing it today is just like super sheer. I just put a little bit in the middle of my lip and then just kind of like blended it out with my finger, and it kind of gives you like the popsicle stain lip kind of look, and I like that. It's so easy and it's like way more comfortable, but you still get like that nice pop of color. But these lip paints are actually really comfortable to wear throughout the day if you want to put it on like full opacity, and it does last throughout the day. The last time I wore this, I kind of forgot I was wearing it and just like went through my day as normal and hadn't really checked in on it throughout the day. And then I went to go like get ready for bed that night, and I was like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot I was like wearing a liquid lip, and I never checked on it. I never like touched up, and it still looked pretty good. There was like a spot over on like the corner of my lip where I must have done something weird because it was kind of just like completely gone from there, but everywhere else was like good. And so I think these are good. They're nice quality, and I think they retail for like 20 bucks or so, so I'm not mad about it, but it would have been nice to get something different. I really wanted the Ofra lip paint that was in last month's box, but again, you can't pick what you get, so I'll live with it. I haven't used these yet, still. These are the lashes from Baddington Lashes. They're in the style Monroe, and I wanted to use these really bad in my like unboxing that I did, but I forgot I didn't have lash glue. I guess I must have gotten rid of it recently, and so I like never wear lashes. I meant to grab some lash glue over this last month, but it's just such a pain to buy lash glue nowadays. Like, lash glue and lashes are always like locked up, that you have to like have someone come over and like get the lashes off or whatever, and then you have to go straight to the register after, and they have to like walk you over. And so it's just such a task to get them, at least everywhere that I've been. And so I have reluctantly not bought lash glue still. So hopefully soon, because I do think these are really pretty. I think they look really nice, and they're like kind of natural looking. So they're like lashes that I would wear, which I can appreciate. Now, my two favorite things from the box last month were definitely the palette from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina del Caribe palette, and it's just beautiful. I honestly haven't worked much with like the blues, but all the other colors I've used multiple times. They last all day. They're super blendable, super pigmented. And I think my favorite color in here is this like top shimmery, like greenish gold color. It's so beautiful, but this is such a nice palette. I've used it quite a few times, but I honestly haven't been doing a ton of eye makeup recently. Like today's look is pretty much what my look has been like the last month. I just like can't be bothered with eyeshadow right now because it's so hot. It's ridiculous. And so I love it, and I'm looking forward to using it once I get back into eyeshadows again. But I do love it. It's so great. And then I think this is my favorite thing. This could rival like this could be my favorite thing I have ever received in Boxycharm. This brush trio from Luxie, I literally use all of these every day. This is the Precision foundation brush. I love this foundation brush. I use it to kind of like do everything. So I'll dot foundation on my face and then kind of like drag this around to kind of get it everywhere. But then from there, I'll just like buff it into my skin, and it just works fantastic. I use it with concealer because it does kind of come to a tip here, and so I can get under my eyes well. I can like get around my nose, like anywhere that I would want to use concealer, I can use it, and it's fantastic. And then the next one is the tapered highlight brush, and this one's kind of just like a small fluffy tapered brush. And I love this for powder. I do really enjoy this for highlight as well. Powder, I'll just kind of dip in and then kind of like work it under my eyes. Sometimes I will take even like my Bare Minerals powder foundation and kind of like swirl it in and then like just lightly buff it onto my face, and it just adds like such a nice texture. I don't know, there's just something about all of these brushes that's fantastic. It applies highlight so beautifully. It like doesn't do it too precise, but it just adds like this, I don't know, it's just beautiful. The Duo Fiber powder brush is also great. I'm sure this would be great for like maybe foundation or something, but I just can't stop using this for like face powders. So I love it for bronzer because you can kind of do like a little bit of a contouring look, but like ultra diffused. And then I love it for blush as well. I just kind of like tap into my blushes and then apply them, and it like airbrushes them onto your skin, and it just looks so good. So honestly, like this trio is like, this is almost everything that I could use for my face brushes and be like completely satisfied and not need anything else. I love these. I have washed these multiple times. You can tell I use them. They're all dirty. But like I have washed these probably 4 times since I've had them, and they hold up beautifully. They apply products fantastically, and they're just great. I've never tried Luxie brushes before, and I am in love. So the next time I'm looking for brushes, I will look to Luxie. So that was the June box. I think it was great. I hope you enjoyed the little recap. But yeah, so that's everything. I'm looking forward to kind of trying out these new products from June, and I will get back to you with those soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, bye guys.